Hello again from our English tropical garden, and it's December and I just thought I'd give you a little guided tour to show you what it's looking like at the moment. A little bit miserable, but it's quite mild today. So under cover we still have the fuchsia flowering, but if we do get heavy frost, that's going to get taken, I think. But it'll come again. This is a growth from this year, so it's protected, hopefully. Well, in the past years it's grown again. And look, as you can see here, these leaves, they've all been cut out by the leaf cutter bee. That are all their little eggs are in here for the winter, and they'll come out in the spring, so that's always lovely. They make a bit of a mess though. Okay, so the agave, that's going to be fleeced today just to protect it. It's under cover, so the roots won't get wet, so that should be fine where it is. Got some herbs here, sage and the rosemary. The rosemary will last through the winter. And we've also got some, I think that's marjoram, these little variegated bits of herbs here. Another fuchsia, which is looking, saying, please look after me. The banana, I've wrapped up as much as I can now. That's got 3 lots of fleece, and it's also got some other padding inside to protect that. Don't need to do anything with the palm, that's fully hardy, so that's fine. That's a Chusan palm. Over here, covered up now, is with lots of covering here. You can see that's the gunnera, and then lovely fern. This has been beautiful this summer. Here we've got the papyrifus. These leaves, they're absolutely enormous. They will all die. They're seed pods, I believe, seeds up there. What I'm going to do when the leaves have dropped off, I'll wrap the top part with fleece, but I'll wait until the leaves have come off of it, just to protect it a little bit. But they are supposed to be quite hardy. I haven't lost it yet in about 3-4 years. Here we have the tree fern, and if you look very carefully, I have already put some fleece in here in the center to protect the core, and my next task is to wrap this part up here just to protect that as well, sort of around the base of the core of the plant. So that's my task for today, and we'll come back and you'll see it in its full glory with its coat on. And here we've got the pond. The fish have gone, it's very, very clear. The fish are very still. They're not eating much now, which is normal for this time of the year. I'll give them a little bit of food, but I don't want to feed them too much because it would just sink to the bottom. But they're circling now, so they're thinking, yes, she's going to come and give me some food. So that's what I'm going to do next, and then I'm going to fleece around the tree fern. So here we have it. That's the tree fern wrapped now till the new year, till the spring. It's warmed up, and then spanning round, there's a banana, and there's the agave or the agave. I think I'm going to put another level of fleece on that, because it is, whilst it is protected, I think it probably could do with a little bit more, but then that will be me done for the winter with the overwintering of the tropical plants. Hope to see you again soon. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.